I think we have the same shades all throughout.
Shut up, seriously?
Yeah, I think they're all the same. That's $25, but I think they're the same.
Oh my god, it is the same thing.
The amount of disappointment in your face. Oh my god, we're gonna get canceled because we're on here.
This. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got Gordonglamzy here. Ta-da!
You got it right.
I got it right. This sentence was the second take, third take now. So today we're doing a very highly anticipated unboxing video. Are you ready? So basically we're gonna do a Jeffree Star Spring Mystery Box unboxing.
Yeah, we're gonna see if these are the same, if everyone's getting the same box with all the same items, or if they're really a mystery box and they're different every time. We're gonna see.
Let's get started. You have the honor. Here you go. So right now I'm looking at Jeffree's. This is the $300. There's a lot of anger in there.
Oh, this box is within box. I see now.
So this one is the Supreme box.
It's basically the one that I just had. Okay.
Yeah. This is the Supreme box. So we're gonna save this later. So premium box is $70, the smallest one. And this is, what is it? Deluxe is a $100 box.
Cute. Mr. Jan loves having me in these videos because he knows I can be a little aggressive when it comes to product and makeup because that is my realm, that is my world. So I will not be as nice as Mr. Steve. So, which now we're starting.
Can you not point the scissor on me? There's a lot of anger mentioned here. I'm just telling you how many that right now.
Oh, you want to start with the blue? Okay.
Rich last told me next time when you do his Jeffree unboxing, make sure we show the box. So Rich, this is for you here, so we can show the box.
I already don't like it. The amount of disappointment in your face.
Okay, this is new merchant, right?
I
think so.
I'm just not a fan of tie-dye, that's what it is.
You know, Louis Vuitton has what they call a watercolor collection. Looks like this.
It's tie-dye, honey.
Okay, let's see what they have here. Can you go ahead and pull it out?
So we got a matching pop socket, tie-dye as well. I don't want to open it because I'm pretty sure me and Steve.
What's that? Oh, that.
For your phone.
Is that even for sale? By the way, hat is $25.
That's $25. You look very borderline straight. You look like a dad.
But straight dude doesn't wear this color.
Yeah, they do. Tie-dye is really popular.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We have a sugar scrub, a strawberry gum. This one's really good. I recommend you keep this one, not because your lips are dry, but because it tastes really good.
Sugar scrub.
Yeah, I actually use those for my face, and those are actually really good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not too harsh?
Well, I like harsh. We have the gloss in the
$12.
Yeah, I actually like the pricing on that. We have beaded glass. So, just going to open that real quick so you guys can see the shade, because I know you guys like that.
Pretty.
I feel like this, you would definitely keep this.
I'm keeping this one, so I'm just trying it now. So I think it's definitely worth $70.
We have Blue Blood.
Oh, I have one already.
You had one, but then where is it?
It's out there.
Oh.
We remodel our studio. So that's it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's $70, not bad.
No, because this palette's close to 70, so.
Yeah. Okay, let me show you how you do unboxing. My goodness.
Hater.
You hold it like that. Obviously, I should not give you a scissors, but you know.
At least I don't run with them on good days.
Deluxe, $100. So for $30 more, you get the bigger box.
I also love that the paper matches the box. That, to me, is a detail. Oh, this looks like a lot.
This is cute. Oh my gosh.
That's cute. I know you're gonna want to keep those.
Okay, I love pen, right?
Yeah.
But I don't like the
round backing?
Yeah, I like the magnetic one. Like Louis Vuitton, a lot of pen they use magnetic, so it doesn't damage your clothing.
Oh, we have singles. We have single shadows.
Single shadow. Did he even make single shadow?
Well, wait, are these the same?
Wait, this is like a tester.
Not only that, I think we have the same shades all throughout.
Shut up, seriously?
Yeah, I think they're all the same.
Oh, no, it's all the different shade.
Oh, they look dark, that's why.
Okay, this is a t-shirt.
I will say his clothing is very comfortable. It's lightweight and it feels kind of, I'm sorry, cheap. But I mean,
it's actually not bad though. I like the front, but it's definitely not for me. I'm not gonna walk out wearing this.
That's like a gym shirt.
Yeah, let's put this for giveaway. Unless you like it.
No ma'am. I don't recognize. Oh, is this a liner? Interesting. We have one of the green eyeliners in here from his
Blooming.
These I remember not being so popular.
So another, is this the same one we got? Pretzel?
No,
drips?
we got beaded glass. Pretzel drip is probably gonna be another pretty one. Oh, that's really glittery. That's pretty. Okay, so the nude collection is very popular for the mystery boxes.
Pretty.
We also have a velour liquid lipstick in here. And it is birthday suit. This is pretty. Oh, is this a lip balm? Oh, you got a lip balm.
You know, I've been purchased his mystery box for 3 times already.
Yeah.
I think I have a pretty much the entire collection.
Yeah, just a nice little lip balm.
Oh, I don't have that. It's
No,
cute.
this is good for day to day. Here, the formula's nice.
But normally it's just Chanel.
Is this Jawbreaker? Yeah, it looks like Jawbreaker. I don't want to.
I don't like that color.
What? This is the one that you used on the set. I mean, for a specific project.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay. I don't like the packaging. I think it was okay. Let's see. Do you have this at home?
I do. That's the one we use.
Oh, okay. I got it. Ah, yes. It's perfect for spring.
Exactly. Purple
Queen
lipstick.
bitch. Oh, this is pretty.
All your favorite colors for your everyday.
Every day.
So I already opened mine up. I haven't seen what's in it, but we're gonna compare at the same time to see if we have the same things.
Yeah.
I love how you take your sweet time. He loves when I use his lines against him.
Okay, let's show people the box, the opening first.
So far, I see something similar.
but different card. So yours has a, this is this. Oh wait, it's the same card.
Oh.
So we both have the,
Oh, but I think they're the same.
oh my god, it is the same thing. I know it's the same thing, but it's one.
This might be a hoodie. I like the color scheme on this one better than the green, the pink and blue.
The one I gave you?
Oh no, that one's cute too, but it's also pink and blue. But I mean, like the design on this one is pink and blue. This
is a good quality stuff.
Yeah, this one's thick.
Okay, the next item we want to show. Oh my god, it is the same thing.
We are mad!
Oh, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it was going to be different things. But I don't have this eyeshadow palette for this. Lust, right?
Yeah, Bloodlust. It's pretty.
It's really pretty. Let me show you guys. Do you have this one?
I don't.
You want to keep it?
I've actually never seen it in person.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's nice.
This one?
Well, I mean...
Open. Oh, wait, it's different sticker colors.
Oh.
Oh, there's different things in there. Hold on. So, show them first.
Okay.
That's a black sticker and
purple sticker. But I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same palette. That's an orgy. This is an orgy.
Okay. I know you don't have an orgy. You say you want it, right?
Thank you. You're so nice. Wait, you have that's two.
Have
So we're gonna do a giveaway.
Oh my god! Another
Let's
sample.
do the single. Yeah, we'll do the single
one.
first.
Wait.
I don't know if the colors.
Also 3.
Oh wait.
It's different, right?
No, they're the same colors.
No, it's different.
Well, the blue is, but I have a yellow.
Okay, wow. We have a wow. Yes. And then we have a, what is that? Brain freeze.
I have soaked.
Okay. Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. You know, I think
they have. I feel like they have bins of all the same thing for each specific box, and then they just put those in there. They don't go like randomly.
Yeah. Well, at least that we can. Whoever they can make their own eyeshadow.
Well, at least now you know if you buy the what's it called. Whatever box we get, you'll know exactly what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Gloss. Let's just look at the shade.
The shade. What color is that? Let me be perfectly clear.
Those are the lipsticks. I have Gemini and I have Androgyny. Same.
Oh my god, I'm so annoying. I wish it was different.
Wizard Glass for the.
Oh. Lord Star.
Okay, Lord Star is different.
Okay, this is different. What's this different? Okay.
It almost looks borderline like brown, but it's got red tint to it.
It's pretty. Okay. At least we got something different.
Oh yeah. Funeral Parlor.
Funeral Parlor, yeah.
Even the mirror is the same.
Don't tell me that. Oh, I need a different mirror.
What is this? Look at this.
It's not hair, right?
No. This isn't Jaclyn Hill Cosmetic. Sorry, Jaclyn, I just have to do it. I still love you though.
Yeah.
Mannequin?
Mannequin, yeah, same color. So basically, all the lips the same, except the gloss is different.
And I'm sure you have the same.
Gag.
Yeah, Gag Me.
I think I have this one already, though. Do I?
No, you have Lick My Glit.
How do you remember the name?
Because I remember. I remember using it. And how can you forget the name Lick My Glit?
Okay, just open one. Same thing, right?
Yeah,
just
open one. I think it is a bump bag.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Last time I really liked his bum bag, and then my partner said, you cannot be wearing, so I got Louis Vuitton bum bag. Oh no, this is a makeup
sad pouch.
I think, but it's cute. It's a little makeup pouch. They are really cute. I just don't like, I wish
I don't
used
like the
a
handle.
zipper.
I don't like the handle.
It has a rose gold on the side. I don't know if you can see it. So it's pretty. Oh, I'll keep it.
Matches your hat, Dad.
Thanks. Okay, let's look in the mirror. I really hope it's a different mirror though.
Oh.
And I hope it's not something I already have. But the good thing is,
it's a giveaway.
And that we don't have it. Yay! So happy.
And all this time you've only had stars and you had one of like this shape and it was from
I'm
the
on
money
a budget
collection.
here.
Okay.
I think it's really great value. I would do it again, but I would not buy the 2 boxes the same again because that is completely waste money. But it's not waste money because we can do giveaway. So.
Well, okay, interesting. Well, let's put everything back in their box and give our final thoughts because we have a lot to say.
Premium box for $70.
I actually like this one. And what's cool is you get an eyeshadow palette that's close to 70 something dollars, and then you have all these little things which basically makes it free. So I say that's a big plus. Actually, I don't think these go in this.
Yeah, I do think anytime you get his eyeshadow palette, then it's good value. If you don't have it, then it's not good value. But again, it's a mystery box, so you will really know what you're getting. So
yeah. So deluxe box.
For $100, you. I would say pass.
Yeah, I would say pass too.
Because there's no eyeshadow. It's set the single tester eyeshadow. Yeah. Oh, take that back. Jawbreaker was in the $100 box.
Oh my god, we're gonna get canceled because we're over here.
This. Okay. So I take that back. I think deluxe box is good because it has a jawbreaker in there.
Well, you're the one that took it out, so cancel him.
Cancel
Actually,
me.
don't cancel him because then I won't have a job. Please don't. Okay, our mistake. Sorry, Jeffree. So lastly, for the Supreme box, yes or no? Do you think it's worth it?
Yes.
I think it's worth it too.
Yeah.
You get a little bit of everything and good quality stuff. Okay.
Good quality stuff, yes.
So from 1 to 10, how disappointed are you?
I'm very disappointed on the big box. The Supreme. What is that? Supreme box. I was hoping a little bit different, so I'm super disappointed. But it's good for the people when we do future giveaway, so it's really great, yeah. How about you though? What do you think?
From 1 to 10? I mean, you get good stuff. I'm just sad that every box is kind of the same within each tier. Well, 2 items because one of the shadows was different.
Oh yeah.
But I'm like, I don't need a single shadow. Honestly, I don't even know where we're gonna put those because we don't have a magnetic palette.
Oh yeah, huh?
So what are you gonna do for the people that don't have a magnetic palette? Then they have to go buy one. That's it. I'm dropping it to a 6.
But
I'm just kidding. I really love his products. But in the aspect of, you know, mystery boxes, it's not so much of a mystery now that we debunked that all these are the same. Semi.
Yeah, if you buy the same box. But how many people are gonna buy the same box?
Well, I mean, no one except us, because we're trying to see if we're gonna get the same stuff.
And I did it by accident too, so yeah. No, it's, I mean, it's good. I'll
bring it back to a 7. I'll be nice.
I will be continue buying his mystery box, basically. I just think it's fun to buy and it's a great product. To me, I mean, I'm using them, but it's a really great gift for your friends and family throughout the year because to buy individually, they're so expensive. So I'm just saving this. I mean, you know, you can keep
especially around holidays. Now you know that you get your money's worth and you get a lot of product for your money. So that's already, you know, with one payment, that's several gifts for different people.
Yeah. So we should close this now. Well, I was gonna say thank you so much for watching my video. It means a lot to me, and thank you, Gordon, to being on here.
Yo, I live here. You don't gotta thank me. Y'all see me all the time. I mean, you know the gist already.
Yes, yes, yes. All right, so follow my YouTube channel. I'll put Gordon's all his social media beneath, so you can check it out. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye. And we forgot to share something really important. We're offering a really cool giveaway. And this is my mystery box from Jeffree Star. And let me kind of show you what's in there. There's a lot of stuff we put in there. So if you want to win this giveaway, check out the comment below and good luck.